Hello and welcome to Fogware's Introduction to Excel Learning videos. Today we'll be teaching you the basics of Microsoft Spreadsheet program. We will be using Excel for the Macintosh OS X operating system, and depending on what OS you are running, the interface may look a little bit different, but still have the same features and functions in the same general areas. For example, the menu bar. The menu bar is always at the top of your window, or as seen here on the Mac, at the top of the screen. In the menu bar are the same functions as with any application, just specified for Excel. For example, the File menu. In the File menu, you'll be able to open up the project gallery, create a new workbook, close, save as, print, and even open up recently opened documents. Next is the Edit menu. This is where you'll be able to cut, copy, and paste, as well as undo recent operations. In the View menu, you'll be able to hide and show certain Excel features like the ruler, the formula bar, and the status bar. The Insert menu allows you to edit your cells, rows, and columns, as well as add a new worksheet, a chart, or even a hyperlink into your workbook. The Format menu is next. I'll teach you a little bit more about this later. The Tools menu is included in all of Microsoft's Office applications. You'll be able to spell check, look up a dictionary, even open up a calculator to help you with your formulas. There's also the Data menu, the Window menu, and the Help menu. Be sure to use this as much as you can. Next is the toolbar. The toolbar is a very useful item in Excel. It has the same features as the menu bar, but is much faster to access. You can create a new workbook, open up a previously existing workbook, save, print, cut, copy, and paste, undo and redo operations, use the auto sum and sort ascending and descending features, create a chart, zoom in and out of your workbook, as well as access the Microsoft Excel Help palette with one click. The formatting bar is below this. Here you can change the font that you are using, as well as change the size of the font that you have chosen. You can choose to use the bold, italicize, and underline options for any of your text. The alignment buttons will determine if your text starts on the left, right, or in the middle of where you start typing. You can change the style of your type to currency, percentage, or add commas automatically to your denominations. The decimal buttons will determine how many digits will be displayed after the decimal point, if there is one. You can change the indentation, add or edit borders around your worksheets, change the fill color and the font color. We'll use a few of these basic features a little later. The name box located here tells you the currently selected box or cell indicated by A1, B2, and C3. It also shows you the selected range of rows and columns. For example, 5 rows and 3 columns indicated by 5R times 3C. The formula bar located here allows you to see, edit, or create the formula for the currently selected cell. Remember, all formulas must start with the equal sign.